which you will see different flavors of India, different culture of India, different festivals of India. Now we are celebrating Diwali in India. So we celebrate this festival mainly for 5 days. It is said that Lord Rama came from Vanvasa, and to celebrate that joy, we decorate our houses with lamps. We put lantern outside our houses. We put beautiful rangoli outside our houses. We put diya. In short, Diwali is a festival of lights, a festival of togetherness. It's a festival of joy and happiness. We literally wait for this festival for the whole year, and it's my favorite festival. And we make different variety of food items which we call as faral for the Diwali, and we go to our friends' houses, our relatives' houses, and we invite them also to our houses to have this faral. When I was a child, on first day of Diwali, we used to get up early in the morning, very early in the morning. We used to get ready. We used to go to our friend's house and we used to eat faral. But now things have changed. Now we can make these items anytime. So the things have changed, but the festival is the same. The joy is the same. The happiness is the same. Today I'm going to share my recipe of wet coconut karanji. So let's see how to make wet coconut karanji.
And it's our lantern, and these are the light decorations, and our neighbors have decorated their house very nicely as well. It's Diwali, so you can see lights everywhere. And yes, it's rangoli with beautiful lamps.
Okay, for the coconut karanji, here I have taken 2 cups of coconut. These kind of 2 coconuts I have taken, which I have grated. So here are 2 cups of grated coconuts. Okay, so while measuring this, you need to press a little bit so that your measurement will be perfect. Okay, if you do not have measuring cups like this, you can measure it with any utensil, but keep it in your mind that you should measure sugar also from that measurement utensil only. Okay, so here is my pan. I'll keep it on a medium flame. Now I'm adding the grated coconut into it. Into this I'm adding 1.5 cup of sugar. The same measuring cup I have taken. So if you are taking 2 measures of coconut, then you have to take 1.5 measures of sugar. Into this I'm adding 1/4 cup of milk. Any type of milk you can add. Now we need to cook it on medium flame only. As it's getting cooked, by that time we will make our dough. Now we are doing the dough. For that I have taken 1/2 cup of semolina or suji. It's a fine suji or fine semolina. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour in that. Mix it well. Then add hot homemade butter. Mix it well.
Here I am adding 1/4 cup of water plus milk mixture. I have taken the same quantity. Both are the same quantity. Put little at a time. Don't put the whole mixture once.
We need to make a tight dough, not a loose one. See, the dough should be like this. Now we are going to rest this dough for 1 hour. I'm going to cover it with a cloth, clean cloth.
Now let's have a check on our coconut stuffing. 10 minutes are over.
It's on medium flame only. As you can see, the sugar is melted. You can see here the sugar is melted. So we need to cook it for more few minutes, and we'll check after that. Now almost 15 minutes are over. Now we need to add 1/2 spoon rice flour in it. Now 20 minutes are over, and as you can see, it has got thickened. You can check it like this. So we need to off the flame. on this stage. After it cools down, it will get more thick. Okay, now we need to add 1 spoon of cinnamon powder into it, green cinnamon powder. Now let it cool down. As you can see here, our stuffing is ready, and you can see there is some moisture in this. It has not become too hard, so there should be some moisture in this. And if you feel that there is no moisture in the stuffing, you can add few drops of milk into it, because it's a wet coconut karanji, so it should not get too dry. So 1 hour is over, so we are going to check the dough. As you can see, the dough has become thick.
Now apply a little bit oil on it and put it in a grinder and grind it for few minutes so it will get smooth and soft. So we need to grind it for few minutes.
As you can see, our dough is perfectly ready. You can see it. It's perfect. Okay, so we need to just make a small rolls and we need to make karanji from it. So I have taken here a wooden base and one ball, and I'm going to roll it very thin round. So as you can see, I've rolled it. It's very thin. Okay, so I'm going to put our stuff of coconut inside it. Now I'm going to put some water on the corners of the round roti, and now I'm going to cover the both sides. Do it very carefully. I'll stick the sides of this. I'm just pressing the corners of this karanji. You need to close it very tightly so that the inside stuffing would not come out. Okay, so it is closed. Now what will we do? Now we'll take this cutter. With the help of this cutter, we will cut the excess part outside. Like this, we have to cut the excess part. Okay, so our karanji is ready. Like that, we'll do the rest karanjis. And I have taken a wet cloth over here, wet cotton cloth. Inside that wet cotton cloth, I'm going to put the karanji and cover it with the wet cloth. So as you can see, the 4 karanjis of mine are ready here. It's time to fry them. Heated homemade butter or ghee in a kadhai. You can take oil as well for frying. So let's fry the karanjis. Now inside the ghee. It's on a low flame only. So as you can see, it turned golden brown. So our karanji is done. So we'll take it on a tissue paper. So now it's time to fry the rest karanjis. As first is done perfectly, you can fry rest all. So as you can see, these are also turned golden brown. So these are also done. So our karanjis are done.
From these ingredients, I have made 25 such karanjis.
And let's add them in our faral. So guys, here is our faral. These are the karanjis which we have made just now. This is laddu, this is besan laddu, this is chivda, this is chirote, this is kadbole, this is shankarpale, and this is my favorite, it's a chakli. So let's taste our karanji first. It's mind-blowing. It's so sweet and so crispy. It has become very nice. So guys, please do make this karanji at home and tell me how you like it. I'm eager for your messages. And if you like this video, forget to put a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see you in the next videos. Till then, take care. Wish you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year.